Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to send a highlight story to a friend on Instagram using the latest steps for 2025. If you've ever wanted to share a special moment from your highlights with someone, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your stories and highlights. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, you'll see all your highlights displayed in circles just below your bio. These are collections of your favorite stories that you've chosen to keep on your profile. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you want to share. Once the highlight opens, you can swipe through the stories within it. Find the specific story you want to send to your friend. When you're on the right story, look for the paper airplane icon, which is the Send button, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Send. A list of your Instagram friends and contacts will appear. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the friend you want to share the story with. Once you've found them, tap their name to select them. After selecting your friend, simply tap the Send button again. Instagram will confirm that your highlight story has been sent. Your friend will receive it as a direct message and can view the story just like any other message you send on Instagram. That's all it takes. Now you know how to send a highlight story to any friend on Instagram, making it easy to share your favorite memories and moments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.